Hello everyone, I am Dr. Arvind. Welcome you to my classroom, and today we will discuss on a very interesting topic on data structure, that is expression tree. So expression tree plays a very major role in tree data structure, and as we know, data structure can be defined as a group of data elements which provides an efficient way of storing and organizing data in the computer so that it can be used efficiently. So there are many kinds of data structures: stack data structure, queue data structure, linked list data structure, array data structure, graph data structure. So today we are emphasizing on tree data structures. So expression tree is used to represent algebraic expressions. So what is algebraic expressions? An algebraic expression is a legal combination of operands and operator and can be classified into infix, prefix and postfix expressions. An algebraic expression can be classified either into infix or prefix or postfix. So what is infix expression? In infix expression, the operator must be placed between the operands. Example, A plus B. In prefix expression, the operator must be present before the operands, that is plus AB. And in postfix expression, the operator must be present after the operands. So today in this video lecture, we will discuss how to represent an infix expression in terms of tree data structure, and I will give you the very simplest and efficient way to make this. And in the next video lecture, we will discuss how to convert prefix to expression tree and postfix to expression tree. So generally expression tree is a special kind of binary tree where the root and internal nodes are operators and each leaf or terminal node is an operands. For example, suppose 5 plus minus 5, 6, 7. See here the operators are either root node, this is what a root node, and this one is internal nodes. So operators are either root node or internal node, but operands always with the terminal nodes or leaf nodes. Let us discuss how to evaluate an arithmetic expression, or what is the concept behind evaluating the arithmetic expressions. So to evaluate an arithmetic expression, we must follow the rule of precedence and associativity of operators. And as we know, in middle and high level languages, they follow the precedence of operators as the precedence. So first brackets belongs to your first precedence level, and then division, integer division, modular division and multiplication belongs to your second precedence level, and then plus minus belongs to your third precedence level. So this is the precedence of operator in middle and high level languages. And then come to associativity. So what is associativity? So associativity is only used when there are two or more operators of the same precedence, and associativity can be either left to right or right to left. But in case of arithmetic operators, the associativity is always from left to right, that is from left to right. So scan from, for example, suppose 5 multiplication 6 divided by 2 plus 3. So how to evaluate this arithmetic expression? First to find out the precedence of operators. See, multiplication and division belongs to your second precedence level and plus belongs to your third precedence level. So as multiplication and division belongs to the second, so here you can apply the associativity. So more than two operators belong to the same precedence level, then only you can apply the associativity rule. Associativity means what? Left to right. So scan from left to right and evaluate in first come first serve basis. So first multiplication will come, so multiplication will be evaluated first, that is 5 into 6, that is 30 divided by 2 plus 3. Again you find out the precedence. See, multiplication is having the second precedence and 3 having the plus is having the third precedence. So evaluate 30 divided by 2, that is 15 plus 3. Again you find out the precedence, only one operator, so 15 plus 3 is 18. So this is the concept behind evaluate an arithmetic expression. So now come to your our main topic, that is expression tree. So here the concept is just the reverse process. So in arithmetic expression, to evaluate it, our task was what? To find out the operator having the highest precedence. But here you have to find out the operators having the lowest precedence. Let us discuss with some examples. Suppose 5 multiplication 6 plus 3. See, the operators having the lowest precedence. Which operator? Plus is having the lowest precedence, third level. So make it the root node. And right side of the plus is 3 and the left side of the plus is 5 into 6. Okay. Again 5 into 6. Again you find out the precedence. Only one operators. So multiplication, keep it at the node, and multiplication right side 6 and multiplication left side 5. So very simple. So in all the node person, you have to find out the operators having the lowest precedence and make that operator as the node and the left subtree and right subtree. Let us discuss with another example. Suppose 5 into 6 into 7 into 8. Okay, see, same operator I am taking. So 1, 2, 3 operator belongs to the same precedence, multiplication. Then you apply the associativity. See, this operator is having the highest priority, 1, then 2, then 3. Here the concept is what? The operator having the lowest precedence. So lowest precedence is this multiplication. So multiplication, make it the root node, right side of the multiplication 8 and the left side of the multiplication this expression, that is 5 into 6 into 7. Again find out the operators having the lowest. This multiplication is having the lowest precedence. So see, this has been lowest precedence. Keep multiplication here, right side 7 and the left side 5 into 6. Has only one operator, so keep multiplication at the internal nodes, right side 6, left side 5. So very simple way. Now we can draw any type of infix expression into expression tree. See, suppose A multiplication B divided by 2 plus 3. See, now we find out the operators having the lowest precedence. This operator is having the lowest precedence. So plus right side 3, left side this one, that is A into B divided by 2. Again find out the operators having the lowest. See, multiplication division belongs to the same precedence level, then apply the associativity, first priority and second priority. Okay, so that means what? Division operator is having the lowest precedence. So make division here, right side of the division 2 and left side of the division again A multiplication B. So A multiplication B means keep multiplication here, right side B and left side A. So very simple way you can, now you can draw any type of infix expression into its expression tree. So thank you all for viewing this video lecture. If you are having any query or any doubts, then please put your query in the given mail ID. Thank you to all.